Welcome to America Reads Fun Learning Activities. We are college students who create learning activities for kids. Our fun activities are focused in reading, writing, and math. Thank you for joining us to learn today. My name is Alondra, and in today's activity, we will be learning how to take numbers apart and put them back together. Let's jump into it. To begin with, let's go over what our two number places are. First, we have our ones place. And our ones place is all the way on the right. So for example, if we're looking at the number 12, our 2 is the one that's all the way on the right, which means that this is our ones place. Other numbers that are in our ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now let's talk about our tens place. Now we know a number is in the tens place when it is to the left of our ones. So in the number 12, we knew that the 2 is in the ones place. So the number on the left of the 2 is our 1. So that means that our 1 is in our tens place. So the numbers that we have in our tens place are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90. But we have a 1 right here. Well, this 1 isn't a 1 like this one. This one is actually a 10. Because it is in our tens place. So how does that work? We have a 10 in our tens place and a 2 in our ones place. So when we add our 10 and our 2, look at that, we get the number 12. Now that we know this, let's look at some examples of separating one big number into its number place again. Let's look at the number 18. Now, we know that we have 8 in our ones place because it is all the way to the right. And then to the left of our ones place, we have 10 again. So when we add 10 and 8, look at that, we get 18, which is our first number. Now that we have some practice, we can start on our main activity. For this activity, you're going to be needing yellow construction paper, white construction paper, orange construction paper, a marker, some tape or some glue as well, some scissors, and it would be helpful to have a ruler or something that you can use to make straight lines. Now, to begin with, we are going to be making a candy corn. So, you will take your white paper and you are going to drop the top of the candy corn. If you don't know what the top of a candy corn looks like, it's just like a triangle, but it is kind of round. Like this. When you have that, you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut the top out. Like this. And then next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your yellow construction paper and your ruler. And you're going to hold down the bottom of what we have of the candy corn so far. And then you are going to draw a line. Just like that. This is going to be the second layer of your candy corn. So this is going to be the top of your second layer, and then you are going to be drawing a trapezoid. And then when you are done, you are going to cut out your second layer. Like this. And then you're going to put the two layers together, and then you're going to use your tape or your glue and then glue those two together. And then finally, as the last part of your candy corn, you are going to do the same thing that we did with the top layer. So grab your ruler, hold it down, bottom layer of your candy corn, and then draw a line that traces it, just like that. And then we are going to make another trapezoid like the bottom layer. Take your scissors and we are going to cut out this bottom layer. And then just like the bottom, the top, and the second layer, going to take your tape or your glue and put these together. And here we have our candy corn. Now, if you want to take your scissors and fix some of the edges, you can do that. Just like that. Now we have our candy corn. For the next part of our activity, we are going to separate a number. What about 16? So take your number 16 and write it at the very top of your candy corn on the white part. Next, let's figure out what our tens place is going to be for this yellow part. So, what should we write on our yellow part for our tens place? Yes, 10. So write 10 like that. And then, now we need our bottom layer. So, and this is going to be our ones place. So, what should we write on this part of our candy corn? Yes, 6. Now that we have our numbers separated, let's write down the equals to and plus sign. So we know that if we add up 10 plus 6, we get 16. So in between our 10 and our 6, we are going to add our plus sign. And since we know 10 plus 6 equals 16, in between these two, we are going to write our equal sign. Great job, everyone. Now for the very last part of our activity. We are going to draw a face on our candy corn. So start off by drawing some eyes, and they could be serious or silly, and then draw a mouth. Mine is happy that it learned math, so I'm going to draw a smiley face. And with that, we are all done. Thank you for joining us to learn today. We hope you come back and learn some more. Please like and subscribe to our channel, and we will be back with more videos.